This puzzle first appeared in the American Mathematical Monthly, contributed by E.D. Schell in January 1945, near the end of the Second World War. It quickly became a widespread phenomenon in the community of mathematics, and it was reportedly suggested, maybe in jest, to drop copies of the puzzle over Germany as a means of psychological warfare, to distract the enemy from their more deadly endeavors. You have 8 coins, and either they're all real or there is one counterfeit coin among them. All 8 coins are identical in every aspect, except if there is a counterfeit coin, it weighs slightly less than the real ones. This slight difference in weight is indistinguishable by human senses, but a balance scale won't be tricked. Using a balance scale only twice, how can you be guaranteed to identify whether or not there is a counterfeit coin, and if so, which coin it is? Pause the video here to solve this puzzle yourself. At first, you may be tempted to split the pile of coins in half and weigh them against each other. If the scale remains level, you know all the coins are real. And if the scale tips to one side, then using the scale just once, you've cut the number of counterfeit candidates in half, which intuitively feels optimal. But now you have 4 coins left, and only one chance to use the balance scale again. No matter what we try, there's no guaranteed way to find the counterfeit. If we find it, it'll be because we were lucky, not logical. So we'll have to try something else for the first step. The solution is to set aside 2 of the coins and weigh 3 against 3. If one group of 3 weighs slightly less than the other, then one of those coins in the lighter group must be counterfeit. To find out which, set one of the coins aside and place the other 2 on opposite scales. If one is lighter than the other, then it must be the counterfeit. Otherwise, if the scale remains level, then the coin we set aside must be counterfeit. Now let's rewind a bit. If the scale remained level on the first step, our job is made even simpler. There are only 2 coins left, one of which may or may not be counterfeit. Just weigh them against each other to find out. If the scale remains level again, then all the coins were real. If one is lighter than the other, then it must be counterfeit. 8 coins is the maximum there can be for this puzzle to be solvable, using the balance scale only twice. But nowadays, a perhaps more common variant of the puzzle is told with 9 coins, made possible because it's given that one of the coins is definitely counterfeit. Knowing at the start that one of the coins is counterfeit doesn't detract from the puzzle in my opinion. But I think starting with 8 coins is still more fun and tricky, since you have to fight your initial instinct to divide the pile in half. With 9 coins, you know right away you can't divide it in half anyway. Thanks for watching, everyone. For more classic and original logic puzzles, you're already in the right place. Until next time, happy puzzling.